Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the footer in Wix. Whether you're looking to update your contact information, adjust the design, or customize social media links, editing your footer is a simple way to keep your website looking professional and up to date. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website management options. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the website you wish to edit a footer on, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct site before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically placed beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward with the editing process. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. The process from here is straightforward and simple. All you need to do is locate your footer at the very bottom of your page and click on it. This action will highlight the footer section and bring up your editing options. There are two main ways you can edit your footer in Wix. The first method involves editing its design. Click on Change Footer Design and you'll see options to customize the visual appearance. From here, you can change the fill color and opacity, adjust the border corners, and even add or remove shadow effects. These design tweaks allow you to align the footer with your overall website aesthetic and branding. The second way to edit your footer is by using the Quick Edit button. Click on it and the right side menu will appear. This menu is where you can dive into the content itself. You can edit the form if you have one included in your footer, adjust each paragraph of text that's been added, and customize the social bar links by adding or updating each URL. This is particularly useful if you want to ensure your social media profiles are correctly linked or if you need to update contact details. And that's it. You've now customized your Wix footer to better reflect your site's purpose and style. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.